Okay, good morning everyone. In the last session, we learned about distance and displacement and the difference between the two, and about the SI units, which one is scalar, which one is vector. In the same way, in today's session, we will learn about speed and velocity, the difference between speed and velocity, their SI units, which one is scalar and which one is vector. So, in this session, we'll learn about all these things. So let's study about speed and velocity. Speed and velocity are related to each other in the same way as the distance and displacement are related to each other. So what actually the speed is? Speed is how fast or slow an object is moving is known as speed, and velocity is how fast and slow an object is moving and in which direction. This is the important phrase. This is the extra phrase here in the definition for velocity, in which direction. That means velocity is expressed by magnitude as well as direction. So, in case of speed, it is expressed only by the magnitude. So, this is a scalar quantity. Right? So, if velocity, in simple words, I want to define the velocity, simply I can say it is speed with direction. That means magnitude with direction. So, it's a vector quantity and it is a scalar quantity. So, I hope it is clear why the speed is considered as a scalar one and why the velocity is considered as a vector one, right? Now, if we have to find out the velocity unit for this, so in case of speed, if I'll go by the formula, speed is distance traveled by an object in unit time. SI unit is meter and SI unit for time is second here. Similarly, for velocity, the formula is displacement in unit time. And SI unit for displacement is meter again, and for time it is second. So the unit for speed is meter per second, and it is same for velocity as well, that is meter per second. Now let's tabulate the difference between speed and velocity. So first difference, it could be the formula, distance upon time, displacement upon time. Second difference, it is a scalar quantity, it is vector quantity. Speed is, it cannot be zero. And why it cannot be zero? Because distance cannot be zero. As we know, distance cannot be zero, so speed cannot be zero. Similarly, velocity can be zero because displacement here can be zero. So now the fourth difference is, it is always positive and the velocity can be positive as well as negative. Now, why it is negative? Because the condition in which displacement is negative, in that case, velocity could be negative. So, these all four are the differences between speed and velocity. So, I hope what actually the speed and velocity are and the difference between the two are clear to you. In the next session, we'll learn about uniform speed, non-uniform speed, uniform velocity, non-uniform velocity, and the conversion of unit from kilometer per hour to meter per second and so on, right? So if you like this video, please press the button like, subscribe the channel